Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Samsung has started expanding the Stable One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy A15 to more countries after its initial release in South Korea. The update is now reaching users in India, Vietnam, Singapore, Taiwan, the UAE, and several European markets. If you own a Galaxy A15, you should start checking for the update because it brings Android 16 along with Samsung's latest One UI 8.5 software experience. Looking at the update screen, the Galaxy A15 is receiving One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. The firmware version is EZ9 and the update size is around 2.4 GB, which is a major software upgrade. It also includes the May 2026 security patch. Now let's talk about what's new. The new version comes with a customized quick panel. Users can change the design of the panel as per their style and requirements. Users can add or remove controls and also resize them. This way, users can manage their favorite control buttons on the main screen. One UI 8.5 brings a refreshed design across the system. Samsung has improved animations, making transitions feel smoother and more natural. Opening apps, switching between screens, and navigating through the interface should now feel more fluid than before. Another visual improvement is the new frosted glass effect. You will notice this in different parts of the user interface, giving the software a cleaner and more modern appearance. Samsung has also added support for changing app icons more easily. This gives users more control over personalization and allows them to customize the look of their home screen without relying heavily on third party solutions. The update also introduces photo assist features. These tools can help users edit photos more conveniently and improve images directly from the gallery app. While the Galaxy A15 does not get every advanced AI feature available on flagship devices, Samsung is still bringing several useful editing tools to improve the overall experience. However, there is one important thing to keep in mind. The Galaxy A15 still misses several major One UI 8.5 features that are available on higher end Galaxy devices. For example, call screening is not available on the Galaxy A15. This feature can automatically answer unknown calls and help users identify callers before picking up. The device also does not receive Creative Studio, which offers more advanced AI powered image and content creation tools. Another missing feature is notification highlights, which uses AI to summarize and prioritize important notifications. In addition, some other Galaxy AI functions remain exclusive to Samsung's premium smartphones and are not included in the Galaxy A15 update. If you have already received the update on your Galaxy A15, let us know your experience in the comments. Are you happy with the new features or were you expecting more features? Thanks for watching my video guys. See you in the next video.